So in AP Physics, we do a lot of inquiry-based activities. It's not just me sitting up there and lecturing, it's us trying to figure it out together, and ideally I'd like it to be heuristic, where we have kids figuring it out for themselves.
In a typical AP Physics class period, we take notes for a lot of it, and then 25% of the class is supposed to be labs, so we do a lot of labs in there, and we do a lot of group work.
So hands-on inquiry-based work is extremely important because it develops problem solving and those deep thinking skills. You're not just filling out a lab report, you have to determine what's important, rather than just giving somebody an answer they want to see. I want the students to be able to think and be able to address problems themselves.
In my opinion, AP Physics is definitely one of the most challenging classes I've had, but it's super rewarding because you get to really see how everything works in a new way. This is probably my favorite AP class so far.
Science here at the high school is really good. We've got a lot of different options for kids. This is an extremely difficult course, and yet you see students rising to the challenge, and they get there. And so I'm really proud of our Linn-Mar students because despite the challenging nature, they always seem to be able to get there and to achieve.